Okay, we have triangle U learn. This length is equal to a plus 12, and this length is equal to a squared. L is the midpoint of UE, and R is the midpoint of EN. Now pause the video and try to solve what's the length of this a plus 12. Now that you've tried to solve it, I'm going to go through and try and solve it myself. So, how would you go about solving this? So, you can't prove that these two triangles are similar. This triangle UEN is similar to LER by angle postulate, because we don't know if these two lines are parallel, so we can't know if these two angles are equal or these two angles are congruent. We know this angle is equal to itself because that's by the reflexive property, but we don't know if these two angles are equal to themselves, and we don't have sides. We don't have sides labeled except for a plus 12 and a squared, and we don't know if they're in the same ratio as the other sides in the ratio. So what should you do? What should you do? When in doubt, label the sides to solve with similar triangles. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. This side I'm going to call X, and this side I'm going to call 2X. This side I'm going to call Y, and this side I'm going to call 2Y. Why? Because remember, L is the midpoint of U and E. So that means this is equal to this. And R is the midpoint of EN, so this is equal to this. So this is 1X, and this is 2X. This is 1Y, this is 2Y. Now we have more side lengths. So we do know that these two triangles ELR and EUN, are similar because this angle right here is equal to itself by the reflexive property, and that the ratio between this side and this side and this side and this side are equal. They're both equal to 2. And if that's the case, that's the side angle side similarity postulate. We do know that a squared divided by a plus 12 is also equal to 2. So let's write that down. A squared divided by a plus 12 is equal to 2. Now, let's rearrange and distribute. A squared is equal to 2a plus 24. Running out of marker. So a squared is equal to 2a plus 24. Now let's do some more rearranging. A squared minus 2a minus 24 is equal to 0. Now let's factor. So what times what equals some of those? What times what equals this, where those two things that are times each other is added equals this? It's going to be positive 4 and negative 6. So we want the positive value of a. So that's going to be a is equal to 6. And we're not done yet. We want to figure out what's the length of this side length right here. 8 plus 6, that's 6 plus 12, and that's 18. And we solved the problem. And that's it for this video. Until next time, see you later.